Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you all how you all can make a DIY income expense tracker at home by yourself without spending like almost 300 400 rupees, which the diaries that you get. So for this I have used a book. This is a normal book which I had got. It's from Classmate and this cost around 55 rupees. You all can take any kind of book or diary that you all have. You all can use whatever you already have also. And just the starting part I have stuck. You all can even take ruled. I already had this unruled book, so I used that one. So this behind part also I have put glue. Then on the starting page I have done this like income expense tracker. If you all don't want, you all don't need to do this fancy things. You all can just write by yourself income expense tracker. So I have just done this. If you all want, even you all can do it in the same way. Otherwise, in any way that you all would like to do. And I have just colored it up. It's very important to keep one tracker for yourself so you'll know how much you'll earn and how much you're spending. And apart from that, when we buy from outside the books, that you cannot write more than 2 years maybe. But on this I have counted, you can write almost for 6 years by the same method how I have told, and you can write almost for 6 years. So in 6 years full data you all will have in one book only. You all can even use the apps that are available, but I personally don't like using apps, so that's the reason I prefer writing it out. So this is how the final look looks like. This is just a small drawing that I have done. Okay, so on the next page I'll be making columns. So on the first page next to this income, first page I have kept to write the year. So now this is a 2020, so I have just written there 2020. So if you want to start from next year, you'll have to write 2021 like that. Okay, and on top I have written income on one page and expenditure on the another page, and side of that the month, current month. So January, February, all that you can write. So on each page keep one page for 1 month, one page for income and one page for expenditure. So I have just made of 2020. Each year you can make, like once the year comes to end, you can make the next one. So I've just colored it with a colored pen. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is now the first page, the part where I have written the year and all. So I've just colored it up, and this is the page where I have written income and expense. Still I have not drawn the column. I'll have to draw each and every line because this book doesn't have lines by itself, so you all can write on a book which have got lines, so it will be easier for you all. So this is the whole thing that I have kept ready, like this is for the year that is going on. So this is how I have drawn line on every page. I have made 3 columns and I have drawn these lines. To make your work easier, you can use the book which have got lines. And just make these 3 columns. One will be where you write the date, second will be where you write amount. So this is the first one where I have written date, first column. then amount, and last will be the source, like from where you got it. And same way you have to do in the expenditure side as well. This was just like a extra work for me to draw lines. And this is how it looks after I have drawn lines. So here you'll be putting your date, then you'll put the amount and the source. And at the bottom of the page you have to write total, like at the end of the month you all can just count how much total you all had income and how much you have spent, and how much is remaining, that you all can write in the next month's carryover. You can follow the same method as I have shown, or you can do it on your own way. You all can do different designs as well, or you all can even keep it simple as you all want. Now that is one more method. Now this is the another where you write the income or expenditure, and you just draw lines like the partitions, and each thing you keep for one category, like for example beauty. So in that month how much you have spent on beauty products, how much you have spent on household products, and how much on travel. So each will have one, so you know on this particular category you have spent this much, and then you can total it up the same way. And same for the income also. If you all are having different sources of income, you all can even do it for the income in the same way. So write the income on top, and then just write whether it is your salary, your pocket money, or anything, or any other source. So this is the another way that you all can do. These are the two ways that I follow. You all can follow any way that is easier for you all or you all like. Then for the outer covering, I have just used a sticker that was lying at home. It is the vinyl wrap I got from Flipkart. A link of all these things that I have used I'll be leaving down in the description box. You all can check it out if you all want the similar items. So full book front and back side I have put this vinyl wrap, and this is how it looks like. You all can even decorate it. I have just put some tapes, decorative tapes that I had got from Flipkart on top and bottom. So I'm using this pink tape. And this is how the final it looks like. You all can do it in your own way, however you all like it and you all feel comfortable to write. But it's very important, I feel, to keep one income expense tracker so you know how much you spend, and you can even control it in the next month if you're overspending then. I'll be leaving down the link, as I said, of all this in the description box. You all can check it out.